We are at the museum.
Oh, let's go inside, everyone. Wow, the pictures are so beautiful. Look at this one. Wow. You're right, they're beautiful.
Come on, let's see more.
Look! Dinosaurs! Wow! Look at that one, it's so big! It's amazing! I want to see the teeth. I like them so much. I want to touch it. No, Ben. You cannot touch it. Look, the sign says, no touching. We must not touch the models. Oh, I am sad.
Let's go to another place.
What is this? Ben, are you not coming? Mom and Dad are far. Lena, look at this door. There is a dinosaur on it. No, we cannot go in. Why not? Look at the sign. It says no entry. Let's go in. It is okay. Come on, Lena. It is dark here. I am scared. Oh. Look! That is so cool! Wow! They are dinosaur models. Whoa! Hey! Look at that machine! Come here, Lena. Let's climb on it. No, Ben. It is not safe. It is okay. Sit here with me. I press this button. Ben! What is happening? I am scared! Oh, no! Oh. Where are we? I don't know. What happened? Oh. Look at that thing. Ben, where are we? What is this place? I do not know. It is strange. What is that sound? Mama! Look behind us. A T-Rex. Run! Run, Ben! I fall down! What is that? Wow! It is so big! It is so big! Run fast! Are we in the past? Are we in the past? Are we in the dinosaur time? I think so. That is a time machine. What do we do now? Dinosaurs will eat us. We came here by the machine. We can go back by it. But there are dinosaurs everywhere. How can we go back? Wait, I look outside. I think they are gone. Come on, Lena. Let's go. Oh, no. It is coming. I fall down. I can't. Quick. It's coming. It's coming. I am sorry, Lena. I should not do that. Oh, no.
Why is it quiet?
Wow. What is it doing? I do not understand. riding a dinosaur. Oh, wow. They are nice. This is so fun. Wow, look at that. This place is very beautiful, Lena. Look, big dinosaurs in the water. Wow. I am hungry. I am hungry too. Wow. Wow. Thank you. This fruit is very good. Amazing! Look at that one! Wow! They're everywhere! I feel sleepy. Let's sleep here. Thank you. Thank you. It's afternoon already. We need to go home. How do we get home? The machine. We must go back to the machine. Can you take me to the machine? Look at that incredible sunset. It's like something out of a dream. We're really doing it, aren't we? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, T-Rex. Today is very fun. This is really amazing. I want to stay, but I must go home. I hope we can see you again. Goodbye. See you later. I'll miss you. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye. Was it a dream? It is a strange dream. I hear Mom and Dad.
Really?
Really?
Where did you go? I am very worried.
We just walked around. I am sorry.
Where is Ben?
Where is Ben? That was amazing, T-Rex. I am here. Mom, Dad, Ben. Hi, guys. We're so glad you're here. I missed you. I'm sorry, Mom, Dad.
It's okay, but next time, don't run around.
Today was great. If you like this video, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.